everyone! In this video, we're going to further practice calculations of strain energy. Which stores more energy at the elastic limit, the long thin copper specimen or the short one? From the graph, for the short specimen, the elastic limit is reached at a load of 40 newtons at an extension of 15 millimeters, and for the longest specimen of 40 newtons with an extension of 30 millimeters. So what's your answer? Yes, the long thin copper specimen stores more energy at the elastic limit because the short one has a strain energy of 300 millijoules over the long one, which has a strain energy of 600 millijoules. The last question is, for any specimen, how does the strain energy change if the load is doubled? Well, doubling the load also doubles the extension, so the strain energy increases by a factor of 4, and thus the triangle under the graph has 4 times the area.